Hey, what's up everyone, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video I have a Kubota BX2680 subcompact tractor. I was trying to put on work. It's brand new and I decided to make a video see if this tractor can do the same work as big tractor does. This tractor have a tons of functions. We will talk as we go, but now let's put on work and we are going to use for desk first. I'm going to set up and see how it does. Now tractor is ready and let's see what we're dealing with. This is my backyard. It's about like 1 acre and grew up a lot of weed during this raining season, and I'm just thinking what I can do to take care. So I decided to pick up a Kubota BX2680 because it's not enough land, so I don't want to buy a big tractor. I don't want to spend too much money. So I decided to buy this one. Also, I decided to have this tractor for fun. As you can see, first my daughter started driving and she really liked it. And we can do the tractor work with this one, plus we have our kids can have a fun. Now I'm going to use for like 2-3 times and see how it comes out. This is how it looked like after third round. I'm running in low speed and it took 1 hour for one round. So approximately I have a 2 hour 40 minute over here and a little bit area more left. I will be finishing in 3 hours. Now this video at this point is on actual speed. I'm not fast forwarding, and let's talk about a little bit more. As you can see, this tractor even at the low speed is not like really slow. It's really fast and doing the job it is supposed to. And this tractor have a lot of power. This tractor even didn't feel anything. So I have a third time already. I believe only the thing is because the desk is small and I have not enough weight, might we have to do a couple more times. But after that I will use a box scraper and flatten out so my tractor doesn't jump too much, and then we're gonna do the next maybe 4th time or 5th time until I have all weed gone. So this tractor have a lot of functions, good speed and everything. I'm just thinking this tractor can take care about like a 4 to 5 acre, but I have only 1 acre and I have a lot of other projects where I need to use a front loader, lawnmower stuff. I have an order already, they're on the way. It's going to take a couple of months and we will keep making video, and we will also make a video about the functions if I have anything negative and positive. Now let's see how this tractor does and the real speed. So at this point I'm done with it. I'm not doing any desk anymore, and this is like 3 times I have a desk and 1 time I have a box scraper. It's a flat already. I need to pull some dirt over here where I'm standing. It's a little deep. So now I will keep uploading video. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with the new topic.